Hello friends, welcome to my channel Financial Bay. So today I am here with another NFO of Baroda Business Cycle Fund NFO. Bank of Baroda has recently launched a fund that aims to deliver in every season. That is why it is called as Business Cycle. So here comes a depiction of this fund. Means in every seasons, this fund is able to raise fruits of every type. To be very summarical about this NFO opens on 24th of August 2021 and NFO closes on 6th of September 2021. What is business cycle? Business cycle approach is an investment based on identifying the economic trend. Whichever trend the markets are moving, that fund will move accordingly. So this is the best thing about this NFO. Various business indicators, these help us to understand the economic trend. Here we will discuss about that indicators also, and the business cycle has 4 phases. First of all, it is a recovery phase, then growth, then expansion, then contraction, and each phase offers unique opportunities and rewards. Suppose in case of growth phase, we may invest in large cap companies or stable companies. In case of expansion or in case of contraction phase or recovery phase, we may invest in small cap companies. What is the business cycle investing? What is the key differentiators for this? First of all, there is a top-down approach. Top-down focuses on macro indicators for sector allocation. It depends upon the small factors. It chooses to allocate the sector which has to be involved in this fund. Second is windshield approach. Windshield means wherever the wind goes, we will go accordingly. That is why it focuses on forward indicator rather than historical data. Third one is flexible approach. Exposure to set of sectors that are beneficiaries from the economic recovery and is not restrictive in its investment approach. Fourth one is first mover advantage. Based on the lead indicators, opportunities are identified well ahead of time. This just check it whether this thing will perform or this thing will not perform. They will put that strategy in the fund according to the business cycle which is prevailing. Fifth factor is agility. Investment across the sectors are not static in nature and are rotated based on the business cycle. Definitely one fund, if performing better right now, might not perform better when markets are worse or markets are not good. In that case, we have to change the strategy. This business cycle fund NFO does the same thing for us. Coming to the case for business cycle investing. First case, strong consumer demand across the sector as many economy reopens. Record low interest rate driving increased investor participation in equities. Now at all, what happens? Interest rate are very lower. So investor is seeking to invest in opportunities. Many demat accounts have been opened. Many are investing in mutual funds. Many are doing the KYC for the mutual fund because of this reason only. Second one is improving the GDP growth rate. Low interest rate scenario with the central bank supporting the growth. GDP is now at the bottom side. It is bound to grow because it's a cyclic thing which goes. Hence, because of improving GDP growth rate, people will be invested in the try to invest with that mutual funds which are growing according to the scenario. Third one is increased capacity utilization, capex revival. Because of this, capacity utilization will increase and it will yield to capex revival. A revival type of strategy will happen. Fourth one is robust earnings, growth after a lost decade. Nifty EPS is expected to grow 25% CAGR from financial year 21 to 23 versus 7% CAGR in the last decade. You can check the Sensex also now. Sensex is booming at 54,000. Within 2 months or 3 months back, it was 45. So you can just check the growth, how it is performing. Domestic economy is showing initial signs of recovery, although the pace of recovery has been relatively slow. However, there are several investment opportunities which are emerging and the business cycle fund could capitalize on them. Now coming to the Baroda business cycle key benefits. A fund which could benefit from the changes in the economic cycle, which I have already told you. Investing is based in the macroeconomic indicators rather than themes or sectors. We will invest depending upon the macroeconomic indicators in the economy at that time. Agility to move across the sectors with no sectoral caps. There is no limitation, no caps that up to this percentage only we can invest. We can invest any percentage in any caps. Top down approach and bottom up stock selection. Bottom up means like we have to select certain funds from top down according to the economy. Bottom up means we have to make the funds perform to that level so that the fund raises a good amount for the investors which are seeking to invest in this. Baroda Business Cycle Fund Investment Process. First process, it will monitor the macro indicators and identify the business cycle opportunity. Second one is it will identify the themes, sectors based on business cycle opportunity. Third one is it will identify the stocks based on finalized theme sector. Fourth one is a periodic assessment of the macroeconomic environment and the subsequent investment approach is conducted based on which the portfolio may be reallocated. What are the scheme details? It is an open-ended equity scheme allowing the business cycle themes. Objective is to generate the long-term capital appreciation for investors by investing in equity and equity-related securities. However, there is no assurance that the investment objective of the scheme will be achieved. NFO opens on 24th of August 2021. Closure date in 6th of September 2021. Benchmark is BSE 500 Tri. There are growth option, payout of income distribution come capital withdrawal option, reinvestment of income distribution come capital withdrawal. Fund managers are Sanjay Chawla, Abul Fateh, Pratish Krishnan. Minimum application purchase is 5,000 and multiples of 1 thereafter. Additional purchase is 1,000 and in multiple of 1 thereafter. Repurchase, there is no minimum amount. Exit load, if you switch out 10% of the units before 1 year, there is no exit load. For redemption switch out within 1 year from the date of allotment, 1%, and for redemption switch out after 1 year from the date of allotment, nil. The above exit load will be applicable on a fee for first in first out basis to all the subscriptions, a transaction excluding the switch-ins. The fund manager is Sanjay Chawla, Chief Investment Officer, Abul Fateh, Fund Manager and Senior Equity Analyst, Pratish Krishnan, Fund Manager and Senior Analyst. In the riskometer, it is a very high risk. So thank you guys. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel. I would bring such NFOs on a very priority basis for you. Thank you.